master the basics of headset functionality, ensuring your pushback bug headset is ready for use. Step 1. Visual inspection. When removing the headset from its bag, check that it's clean and free from visible damage. Make sure all nuts, clips, and fittings are secure and tight. Lastly, confirm the microphone covers and ear cups are correctly attached to the appropriate parts. Step 2. Fit the antennas. Locate the right-angled antennas and screw them onto the left and right-hand domes using the knurled nuts at the ends. Once attached, ensure both antennas are pointing upright, as they would be when worn, towards the sky. Step 3. Power on. Find the power buttons, which are either black or white depending on the headset version, and located on the underside of each dome. You will need to turn each dome on individually. Press and hold for 1 second, then release. Each dome should illuminate green. If fully charged, the LED flashes 3 times with 3 beeps. At 30 to 80% charge, it flashes twice with 2 beeps. Below 30% charge, the LED flashes once with a single beep. We recommend only using the headset when you receive at least 2 beeps. In urgent situations, it can be used with a single beep, but keep in mind you'll only get a warning tone in the ear when there's less than 30 minutes of battery life left. If there's no light or only 1 beep, the headset likely needs charging and it's time to plug in. Note: the left-hand dome relates to cockpit communications and the right-hand dome relates to wing walker communications. Step 4. Charging. The charger sockets are located at the bottom of both domes. Within the first 30 minutes of charging, each dome will regain roughly 2/3 of its battery life. While charging, the top LED turns orange. When fully charged, the light turns off. Note: headsets should not be charged while powered on. Step 5. Position the microphones. Ensure both microphones can only rotate forward and back, not fully around. In the correct position, the left-hand microphone should sit directly in front of the mouth, as close as possible to the lips. The right-hand microphone should sit just above the left microphone in front of the face. For correct orientation, the antennas should be behind the head, on the rear side of the headset when worn. Step 6. Using the buttons. On the left-hand dome, the red button is a momentary push-to-talk button. Press to activate the microphone and speak to the cockpit. On the right-hand dome, the yellow button is a latch-on-off button that activates the microphone to talk to wing walkers. When the button is pushed in, the microphone becomes live. When pushed again, the microphone turns off. Headset volume is adjusted using the black knurled turn wheel located on the outside of the ear dome. Depending on the headset model, this may be on either the left or right dome.